making now parathas and then tea. Now we'll put milk. And today is 6 days of Ramadan fasting, and today is February 24, and today is Tuesday. So ito'y papainit ko na lang kasi kagabi hindi namin naubos. And then itong rice, papainit ko na lang rice. And then chicken curry. Yan. It's cooking time again for 6 days Ramadan fasting for our dinner after iftari. So I put now this garlics. Onions and garlics is already brown. Now we can put now this chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and then to be followed by tomatoes, green chili. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this potatoes, carrots, and this is turnips. And also this stalk of cauliflower. But this one I will put later. Now we'll put now this cauliflower. This is already cooked. Mixed vegetables curry, carrots, cauliflower, potatoes, and turnips. Frying now chips. I will not make today pakora, so only chips. First batch and this only I make. My simple fresh fruit salad. Guavas, bananas, apples, sweet melon, and what is more, oranges, and one piece of strawberry. I slice circle. Then I put only sugar and fresh buffalo milk. No more condensed milk and what you call this? Condensed milk and Nestle cream. Cooking our dinner for 6 days Ramadan fasting. This is mixed vegetables, rice, white rice, chapatis, fried chicken, fruit chat with juice, with chia seeds. Alhamdulillah for all the foods.